Screencastomatic is the program that I use most when I'm recording lessons and tutorials in online learning. What it is I can either, when I'm first setting up a recording, I can select screen, which I'm on right now. I can have it pointed towards me so it's just a recording of me talking to them, or I can have it where I'm recording the screen and they can see me in the bottom right-hand corner. I often in my online tutorials use this one, even though I don't like being on screen. Sometimes for online learners who never get to see me in person, it helps them realize that I'm a real person. Most of you might want to do this because we've met the kids and just you select screen, and so it just goes around where your screen is. I like Screencast-O-Matic for a number of reasons. Number one, you can record up to 15 minutes. You might hear about Screencastify, which is a Google extension app that you can download to your account, but it only allows for 5 minutes. So unfortunately, that's just not enough time for me to get in everything that I need. So what I also like about Screencast-O-Matic is that there's a few things. You have to create your own account and you have to download the screen recorder to your computer quite frequently, but the more you practice, the more you get into it. But the thing that I really like about Screencast-O-Matic is that once you've created your YouTube channel in your apps account, which I will show you how to do that in a separate video, you can either create it as YouTube videos that you can select the link and share it with your class, or you can share it in your drive. And the important thing is that before you share that link, you just have to make sure that it's open settings so that you can share it to Google Classroom. So I'm going to quickly show you how to get into Screencast-O-Matic. And I'm not sure how far we'll get, seeing that I'm recording using the program that I'm showing you how to use. So I have already created a separate account. I'm actually going to use my other account. Now, if you don't have an account, you can simply sign in with Google. I would highly recommend your apps account, seeing as that's going to translate into, if you either save it to YouTube or you save it to your drive, that's the account that you're going to be using for Google Classroom, if that's what you're using for your platform in which to do remote teaching. I'm simply using this one. I already signed in with Google and I've created this account. So okay, great. We'll just do this then. It always throws me for a loop. I think I know what I'm doing, sometimes not so much. All right, so they changed the interface a few years ago or last year, and I still don't like it. So I just click up in this right-hand corner, the original view. It lays it out for me, easier for me to understand. So one of the key things of what I did right now is that I actually click Start Recorder. And so when you click Start Recorder, it will automatically go into creating and downloading everything that you need in order to do that. I'm a little hesitant to do it, but here we go.